I found this crazy AI video trend while scrolling through Instagram. These jelly objects look so real and satisfying, and people are getting huge views from them. Not many creators are making these yet. Let me show you what I have created, something like this one. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create them using completely free AI tools. Come over to this ready-made prompt file. I've put the link in the description. Copy everything from here and head over to any AI chatbot. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or whichever one you prefer. For this video, I'm going to use the free version of Claude AI because I'm getting really good results with it. Simply paste the prompt and hit enter. Within a few seconds, Claude will give you a list of objects you can use for your video. Just pick any object you want. For this example, I'm going with a tiny octopus. Copy this text, paste it into the chat, and hit enter. Now Claude will generate a complete, ready-to-use video prompt specifically for that object. And that's exactly what we need. Copy the entire video prompt and head over to Google Flow. Sign in with your Google account and create a new project. Before we generate the video, let's quickly go through the settings. Click here and select Video. Then click on Ingredients and choose your preferred aspect ratio. For the model, I recommend using OmniFlash. Select the number of generations you want and set the duration to 10 seconds. That's it. Now paste the video prompt we copied from Claude and hit Generate. Give it a few seconds. And there we go. Our video is ready. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, this actually looks really good. The jelly effect looks great, the video quality is impressive, and it even generated the sound effects automatically. That's exactly the kind of satisfying result we're looking for. Now let's try another object. Go back to Claude, choose another object, generate the prompt, and repeat the same process. You can keep doing this for as many objects as you want. And if you want more ideas, simply ask Claude to give you another list of objects. And that's it. You can create these satisfying jelly AI videos using completely free tools and experiment with different objects to create your own style. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI video tutorials and useful AI tools. Thanks for watching.